So this is the tweet. Literally 2 words. It says use Signal. And this guy actually had the right idea. He actually asked, what's Signal? I'm sure quite a lot of people are regretting not asking that question. I don't know about you, but I've been kind of looking at the news lately, and all you really see is like Corona and how this pandemic is ending the world, and it's all quite bleak and depressing. Whereas this was actually quite funny, and yeah, it just kind of shows you the power of like Twitter and social media, and well, Elon Musk, who congratulations on becoming the wealthiest person in the world. I think it was kind of well earned, but still, I'm going to kind of explain to you or about this tweet and kind of just how ridiculous the whole concept is. So if you didn't know, Elon put out a single tweet that consisted of 2 words, and it caused the value of a company to go up over 6,000%. And like that's pretty cool and all, but the strange thing is it was the wrong company, because the company that went up is a completely different company from the company that he meant. So first, what did he actually mean? So this is Signal. This is a messaging service that you could really compare to WhatsApp. It specializes in end-to-end encryption, which is, I think, the main selling point of what WhatsApp is. The only problem is that people are having with WhatsApp at the moment is that I think in the US, I don't know about Europe because there might be different legislation with it, but in the US now WhatsApp in the terms of service is going to be able to share their personal information or the personal information that it gathers on the users with its parent company Facebook, and I don't think people are really happy about that. And Signal not only is pretty much endorsed by Elon Musk, but if we actually go down, you can see that it's endorsed by Edward Snowden, who is that whistleblower they made a movie about, and also Jack Dorsey, who is the CEO of Twitter. There's other people down here as well, but I don't actually know who they are. So this is the company that got the massive boost in stock. Well, firstly, what is it? Well, I've been reading the website for about 5 minutes, and it's actually quite hard to figure out, but I managed to pick out biomedical technology. So I'm assuming it's a biomedical technology company, which is quite a big leap compared to a messaging service. Now, the owners of that biomedical tech company must have been having, well, they must have really wondered what was actually going on, because they actually had a stock increase from around 5, so it was trading around 5 before the the tweet, and then someone put in an offer for probably quite a lot at $70, and now it's kind of started to balance out. And I really shouldn't laugh, and I know it's pretty terrible because I'm pretty sure someone has lost a substantial amount of money. But still, this is a really good lesson on why you should look into the company you're going to buy before you buy it. Now, don't get me wrong, I was actually having a look at Signal, and I was like, oh, like quite a lot of people are investing in Signal, and it is a new messaging app, and it might be quite reasonably priced just now. This was just after the tweet because I had a feeling that it was going to shoot up. So I actually went and had a look, and I was going to look into Signal, and then I discovered this, and I got a bit confused because I was looking at the Signal messaging, and then I was looking at Signal Advance, and I thought they were the same thing. So it is a really honest mistake. It's probably one I would have made myself if I didn't actually Google or look up the financial reports for Signal Advance, because once you actually look up which company it is, it becomes really clear. I have a feeling the value of the stock is going to kind of go back to normal soon, just because it's not what people thought it was. And if you were lucky enough to already own the stock and it was just one of those companies in your holdings that you don't even remember buying, then you probably made quite a good return if you sold at the right time. And even still, I think right now it's still trading 3 times higher than what it was before the tweet. So even still, 3 times on your return is still pretty good. But guys, I do hope you have enjoyed the video. I actually quite enjoyed this story. I know that it's not really nice in the fact that probably quite a lot of people lost money in this situation, but it does really drive home the fact that you should look into the company before you buy them, because it's a mistake that I could have made myself. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.